In today's world, business is very fast-paced and attention span is very short. So you want to make the most out of your website visitors to convert them directly into your leads. How does that work? So here you can embed any chat with Needle on your website. You can ask questions around the product. Then the client would like to know more about the product. And it automatically asks if we could provide our name and email and also book a call. So I can say, I provide my name. And additionally, you can also here book a call. So you see it directly redirects me to my Calendly link. And if you see now here our CRM system, we can see Jan Heimes has been generated here within our CRM system just directly via the chat widget that has been embedded on your website. Additionally, the client has booked a call. So as you can see, you directly created a new lead just from a website visitor that asked some specific questions about your product within a very short amount of times, just 10 seconds, and you have already captured the lead. So don't lose these opportunities of like people that actually visit your website, because getting people to visit your website is already something, a huge milestone that you've achieved with great SEO. But on top of that, harvest also the fruits from here, make this website visitors count as potential leads, as potential clients for your product. You can do this very easily with Needle SDR Chatbot, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set this up. So to quickly set this up, first of all, you create a collection within Needle, and you want to create different types of connectors. So in this case here, I want to connect to my CRM system, whatever CRM system you're using. In this case, I'm using Etio, but you can also use HubSpot, Salesforce, or Microsoft Dynamics, whatever you use as your CRM system. Once you have unlocked the tool, make sure to disable all other tools besides Create Person, because you only want to have the Create Person tool available within this chat. So as you see here, in this case, I'm using just Create Person tool. So the agentic chat only has access to this specific tool and only can create new persons within your new CRM system. Now that we have connected Needle to our CRM system and also toggled only the Create User tool, where to be used here by this agentic chat of Needle, we want to give this agentic chat some kind of personality. And with that, we want to give it a specific prompt, how it should react when the user enters to your website. So we can click here on this button, and currently you see it is default, and we want to create a custom prompt. And as you see here, we have some predefined templates. So you can use the sales development representative template, and this template should be good for you to go. And in this case, you may want to adjust it a bit, because here I'm telling about Needle, and in terms of goals, you can keep the same kind of goals so that the chat, the agent knows, in this case, Needle agent, what it should do. It should like search your collection to answer questions around your product, proactively collect contact information, such as mail and name, and then actually create a person within your CRM system so the agent knows it should call this specific tool, and also proactively provide a booking link to say, hey, please book a call with us, and here you can put your Calendly link or your Google Mail link or whatever link you're using. And once we have set this, we want to select it. So you may see now I'm using the sales development representative template. And now we want to test how it would work on our website. So we wouldn't directly want to embed this as a widget on our website. First, we would want to run some tests around it if it is working, and maybe we want to adjust the prompt template also a bit to change a bit the language of how the SDR chatbot is answering on your website. So let's start with some simple questions similar to the website chat widget that we have shown you before. What's needed? As you see, it answers accordingly, and it's also asking us, would you like to know more about Needle's benefit and business? Yes, I would like to know more. And as you see now, this prompt template that we've provided is saying, please, would you like to schedule a call with us? You can book a call here, and you can also tell us more about you. As you see now, it's asking us to provide our name and email address, and now I can provide Jan Heimes and Jan at Needle.app. And now we provided our name, and we see Jan Heimes and Jan at Needle.app has been like added to our CRM system. We see the tool has been called, and it also tells us that we can schedule a call here with the team, and it provides us the Calendly link. So now we are sure that this is actually properly working, so we can start to embed this into our website. So here we can go over to widget, then we will provide our domain. As you see here, I provided Needle.app, and in this case, it's giving us like the instructions of how we can embed this actually into our website. That's all from Needle here today. As you see, it's super easy and super fast to convert your website visitors into actually real qualified and verified leads that are actually registered within your CRM system and have booked a call to your Calendly link. If you also want to increase the leads and hence revenue that you're generating, converting more of your website visitors into actually real qualified leads, follow this tutorial. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at support@needle.app. And we are really excited about this, helping our existing users to generate more leads from their website visitors. And maybe also you now start actually converting your website visitors into qualified leads. Thanks. That's all from me here, from Jan from Needle, and see you soon. Happy building.